Hello everyone, it is Wednesday morning, March 9th, 2022, and markets are moving sharply higher as oil prices fall and investors start to assess what's real and what's temporary in the reaction to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. One segment of the market that's doing well today is electric vehicles, with Tesla trading 3.5% higher in early trading, RVIN gaining as much as 7.2%, and Lucid jumping 5.3%. Over the last week, we've seen oil prices soar to as high as $130 per barrel, and gasoline prices are exceeding $5 per gallon in some parts of the US, which you might think would be good news for EV stocks. But high oil prices tend to lead to recessions, so be careful what you wish for on this front. The bigger challenge right now will be on the commodity front, where commodities like steel, copper, and nickel have soared because Russia is a big supplier of raw materials. Nickel in particular has been a problem, and prices have doubled in as little as a day, and exchanges have actually halted trading in some cases. If prices remain high, Morgan Stanley estimates this could add $1,000 to the cost of an electric vehicle from nickel alone. So what should we think about EV stocks and the news this week? Before we get there, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications for breaking news and great investing insight. Now, the recent commodity moves highlight some of the major challenges facing the EV industry's growth plans. Materials like nickel and rare earth metals are key components and sometimes come from volatile regions of the world like Russia and China. If prices spike, as we've seen over the years in a variety of these materials, it can throw the industry into flux. I will point out that battery chemistry and material composition of vehicles also isn't set in stone. Companies like Tesla have changed the chemistry of batteries to lower costs, and rare earth materials that used to be more prevalent were replaced in some cases when prices exploded about a decade ago. Companies can adapt and change when the market throws them for a loop, and I think we will see that in the EV market over the next few years. On the plus side, high prices do look like they're here to stay for a while, in part because drilling for oil hasn't picked up as prices have increased, and a supply crunch could result over the next few years. I think this will be a sustained tailwind for electric vehicle companies, and that's great for EV stocks, which I think are much more attractive today than they were a month ago based on high oil prices alone. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications for the latest on your favorite stocks, and until next time, fool on everyone.